Well, folks, gold is back in the news and it's hotter than your uncle's chili at a summer cookout. Yes, gold has officially cracked the $3,000 per ounce mark for the first time ever. Now, before we dig into why gold prices have gone sky high, I gotta tell you, you might qualify for up to a 10% instant match in bonus silver and even a free Ronald Reagan coin from our friends at Goldco. But more about that in just a moment. First, let's talk gold. In 2025 alone, gold prices have jumped a hefty 13.6%, recently hitting an all-time high of over $3,000 per ounce, according to Forbes. But what's behind this shiny surge? Let's break it down. First up, central banks are on a shopping spree and gold is on their grocery list. Last year alone, central banks bought over 1,000 metric tons of gold, doubling their usual yearly haul. Uzbekistan, China, Kazakhstan, Poland, and India are leading the charge this year. It seems that gold has become their favorite flavor for financial safety. Now, why the sudden attraction to gold? Well, flashback to 2022 when Western nations froze about $300 billion worth of Russia's central bank fiat currency after their invasion of Ukraine. And guess what wasn't frozen? Russia's gold reserves, safe and sound inside Russian borders. So central banks worldwide took notice, deciding gold might just be a safer, less politically vulnerable choice. Now, speaking of safety, if you're curious how gold and silver might fit into your own plans, you definitely want to grab Goldco's 2025 Gold and Silver Kit. Why? Because supplies are limited and you could qualify for up to a 10% instant match in bonus silver. Plus, if you qualify today, you might even snag yourself a free Ronald Reagan half-ounce silver coin. Curious yet? Well, click the link in the description now to see if you qualify. All right, back to the action. Even big name investors are getting vocal. Jeffrey Gundlach, CEO of DoubleLine, predicts gold could rise to $4,000, though he isn't exactly sure when that will happen. Goldman Sachs joined in too, recently revising their gold price forecast to $3,100 by the end of 2025. For now, the trend is your friend and gold is still golden. And hey, back to Goldco. Now's the time to see if you qualify for their exclusive offer. Not only do you get their free 2025 gold and silver kit, which includes physical, digital, audio, and video versions, you might qualify for up to a 10% instant match in bonus silver. But wait, there's more. Yes, I actually said it. Qualify now, and you could also receive your very own free Ronald Reagan half-ounce silver coin. Trust me, this special offer is limited and first come, first served, so don't wait. All you have to do is click the link in the description right now and find out if you qualify. It's quick, easy, and might just give you something even better than bragging rights at your next family barbecue. Hey, thanks for watching, and remember, when life gives you lemons, trade them for gold.